Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, please hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to show you how I make the soil amendments for a 25-foot square bed using composted grass clippings, leaf mold that I've had breaking down over the summer, and this is what we're going to come up with. Beautiful soil amendments for your garden. If you want to see the additives used in this, stick around, because we're growing out the box.
I don't care about the scene, I don't care about the location. All that matters not to me, that you wherever I go, baby. I just need you by my side.
Some of the best leaf mold.
That's until the day I die.
This is how I make my compost. Now, I'm not saying that this is the correct way to do it. I'm just telling you, this is how I do it. So we're gonna add that in there.
No pressure, I can see you watching and they try to do better, but you one in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish.
Add a little
Take
water
a trip,
to it.
girl, we're about to vanish. I'll go anywhere,
Rainwater.
anywhere, just as long as you with me. Cause girl, I know that you get me. So I'll go anywhere. Cause I'll go. So I'll go anywhere.
Like I said, we're gonna put half of that in there. And this has been composting for about a month. See all of that? It's breaking down. Smells good. Fresh soil. So we're gonna wet that down. Mix it in.
No pressure, I can see them watching and they try to do better, but you one in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish. I'll go anywhere, anywhere.
Take a quarter bag, we're gonna mix that in. We're about to go to the kitchen. Worm castings. We're gonna add a half a cup. Gonna do a half a cup of our blood meal. Then we're gonna add a half a cup of our all-purpose fertilizer. Slow release. Mix it in good.
don't care about the scene, I don't care about the location. All that matters not to me, that Got you wherever I go, baby. I just need you by my side.
What I'm doing here, I'm going to take out all my wood chips. What I want to do is create a blank canvas here, and then we're going to put our amendments in here. I'm going to take out all this, and right after we put our amendments in, we're going to go right back around. We're going to take these old wood chips and mix it in with some new wood chips and remulch the entire bed.
I don't care about the scene, I don't care about the location. All that matters not to me, that you wherever I go, baby. I just need you by my side.
You take this round to the other side and empty out the other side of the bed.
Ever since you found me, we the only thing I see. Forever and a day, it's you and me. And they can't replicate this unity. No pressure, I can see them watching and they try to do better. But you one in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish. 'Cause I'll go anywhere, anywhere.
Hey, Marcelo. What's up, man? You out here hunting? What are you hunting today? You gonna keep the squirrels out? That was Miss Barbara's cat. They were gonna put him down, and my wife decided to adopt him. Yeah, she named him Marcelo. I guess we have a cat now, but oh well. Look at this stuff. Looks like cow manure. That's how good it looks. Sticks together. Those collards are gonna love that. Now before we put it in though, we're gonna add a little blood meal all throughout the bed, just to give it that little boost that it needs. We're gonna go around the drip line. We want those roots to stretch out. Okay, Marcelo. Go. Yep. We're just gonna add the blood meal throughout the bed. Gonna go around the drip line. We want those roots to stretch out. And these collards here were from this summer, and I grew them as catch crop, but they're still growing strong. As that cool weather hits them, these babies are gonna sweeten up, and we're gonna eat off of them just like we have for the past year and a half. Want to put it right on the plants because it's still a little hot from that nitrogen we put in there, but they're going to take that in real well. Nice, rich, amended soil. It's good compost. This baby's going to love that. And these are grown from my seeds this year, and I'll be showing you the whole process of collecting seeds and going all the way back to this stage. That's the beautiful part about gardening. Watching that cycle of life. All of these are grown from my seeds. These are Georgia collards. And that's our molasses water. Okay, so this is what we're looking like after we get everything watered in real good. That thing's holding water. You can literally hear it soaking up that water. Let's see if you can hear that. And we're gonna go back and put our cypress mulch on top of this, and then we are done. One down, and a few more to go. Also, I wanted to say thank you to all who have supported me throughout this past year in reaching my 1,000 subscribers. And until the next video, keep growing out the box.